many of our customers, you may be looking to enhance machine performance, line efficiency, and overall factory operations without large upfront investments, utilizing your existing equipment. Well, then you've come to the right partner. With our unique digital solutions, we are perfectly positioned to support your transformation journey from start to finish. Let us show you how.
Very information side, very informative. Awesome, thank you very much.
Our consulting services are vital for any successful digital transformation. With over 75 years of experience in process and batch manufacturing, we can help you transform your factories into models of smart manufacturing excellence. We support your journey from shop floor management to operation optimization and seamless software integration into your processes.
We not only consult, we make all your assets talk, turnkey. With our profound data acquisition solutions, we form the basis for a reliable and secure data exchange infrastructure for machines and equipment of all major OEMs. With more than 3,000 machines connected in more than 200 factories worldwide, our solutions have successfully been proven time over time.
Once this secure data flow is established, our cloud and on-premises software modules come into play. They help you optimize the performance of machines, production lines, warehouses, and entire factories. Our software modules provide comprehensive production views and operator guidance, optimized execution of production, logistics, and maintenance tasks, as well as energy optimization.
Beyond empowering people and transforming processes, we also provide seamless integration. We specialize in integrating with your existing, your in-house, and your third-party equipment, ensuring that our solution fits perfectly into your software and IT infrastructure.
As you can see, Körber is your trusted partner of choice on your transformation journey. With our integrated and tailored approach, we'll get you to your destination, fast and smooth. Do you have a dream for the future of your factory? Let's make it a reality together.